Hello and welcome back to another Healing Hikes adventure for this week. Last week we did the Rainforest Gallery in Warburton and we were on an elevated canopy walk. So after this video, check that one out. In future videos, I'll go through my overnight pack and I'll show you how it's only 7 kilos, including my hygiene toiletry pack. And I'll also go through my cooking kit, and I'm also going to release an hiking education series. Oh, so I absolutely love this pack. It's made by Helicon Tex and they're a Polish brand, and they used to make gear for the military back in the 80s. And their gear was that good that now it's being used by everyone for bushcraft, survival, hiking and camping. So the pack itself, yeah, it has Velcro attachments on the front, YKK zippers. It's made of nylon. It has 9 pockets in total. It's completely lightweight and foldable and compact, especially to have 9 massive large pockets. It has the mirror on the top that you can put on either side, and yeah, it's 39 by 25 centimeters, and for something so big it is so light. It's only 158 grams. So yeah, I love this thing. So let's get to the loadout. Alright, so before I go through the contents of my hygiene toiletry bag for overnight and multi-day hikes, I always carry a 1 litre Pathfinder stainless steel bottle that I'm able to put on the fire, and I'm also able to put water purification tablets in there if I need to purify and make sure my water is safe to drink. Also, please note that this kit is packed to my personal liking and it is subject to change. So the contents in this pack are not always going to stay the same with each season or destination that I'm traveling to. So let's go through the pack itself and what I have in there to help you keep inspired. Alright, so starting on the outside of the pack, as you know, there is a Velcro patch label here that I can take on and off. Starting with the outside pockets, on the outside here I have a hand sanitizer. So, and that is also flammable as well, so hand sanitizer is also a great ignition source. Also on this side, I just have some sunscreen, if I can get it out, some sunscreen. Let's try and whip through this as fast as we can, right? Okay, in this top main compartment, straight away, I have some toilet paper, a couple sheets, and some wet wipes as well, so I can quick access there. Remember, this is subject to change, but at the moment, because I'm doing a lot of training for 100-kilometer walks and walking long distances, I have neck and shoulder tension, like heat packs. I have a notepad to help me with navigation, and in case something does happen, I can write it down, all the information, and I also have a pencil in there as well. All right, so let's open up the contents of the pack. All right. So first you'll notice is a mirror. So this mirror is also on a Velcro pad, so I can put it on the outside there. Also on this pad you can also put a navigation and a map if you want it to be hanging up, so as you're getting ready in the morning. So keeping that mirror there. All right, let's go through this top compartment first. So this is not my main first aid kit, but in here I do have just a small little utility knife with some nail clippers as well, so if I need to cut my toenails or my hand nails. Also in here I have some antiseptic, just some Benadine, just some band-aids for blisters, some cotton tips for my ears as well, and just some alcohol swabs. Also I have just a sewing repair kit as well. If you've got the space for it and it weighs 1 gram, there's no point not putting it in there. All right, here I like to go to sleep. Sometimes if I'm sleeping or camping near some noisy people that are out partying, I put in some earbuds just to block out the noise. All right, Blistex, just ultra lip balm, SPF 50, so keeps the lips nice and safe from the sun as well. Got your long items, your toothpaste. I do have a glow stick in here. Toothbrush. And some floss. All this stuff is so lightweight, like it's just, you don't even notice it. Like I said, my multi-day pack is 7 kilos. Just in this front compartment, just some extra cups of tea. You know, like you might want a cup of tea while you're getting ready at night or in the morning, and just some hot chocolate. So really weighs nothing. Here I have a hospital grade 3M what do you call it, face mask. So if I am going through like a dust storm or a sandstorm, or because of COVID, or whatever the situation may be, I've always got a face mask there. Just got an extra clip. I don't really know why I have that there, but who cares. I've got a face washer, so while I am down by the river or a dam or a lake, I can just wipe my face and clean my face. I have a comb, just a hair comb. Once again, weighs nothing. All right, trying to zip through this quickly. Remember my overnight pack and all that stuff, I will go through how the weights of those. Roll-on deodorant, just for perspiring when I'm doing, you know, big walks like 30 to 70 kilometers. Just some mouthwash over there and that there. All right, so opening up this main compartment here now, let's have a look. So on this side, we've got just some body wash and shower gel if I come into some showers, or if I need to have a bathe if I'm out for weeks on end out on the trail. I've always got a way to wash my body. And then you guessed it, shampoo and conditioner. So just really nice, easy bottles. So that's what's in my hygiene and my toiletry kit. It's got me covered. I can be out on the trail for a long time and feel nice and safe that you know, my hygiene isn't going to be an issue. So yeah, thanks heaps for checking out my hygiene toiletry bag. I do take this overseas with me on trips as well. This year we do have 6 weeks hiking in Europe, and a lot more multi-day and overnight hikes coming up. Check out the channel. There's a lot of 100-kilometer walks. There's a lot of iconic walks done. I think we've got 80 videos, and yeah, I hope you're inspired. This is less than a kilo, and yeah, I hope you learned something.